If you forget the password, see the full video. Switch off your phone. Press the power button and volume down simultaneously. After this, your phone will boot into recovery mode. You charge your phone more than 50%. Language has to be selected after going into recovery mode. Click on Wipe Data. Verification code will remain the screen. Now clicking on Wipe Data, click on Clear. Click on Wipe Data. Verification code will remain the screen. Click on the Format Data. Click on the Format. After this, your phone will be factory reset. After factory reset the phone, select language and country. After this, the phone has to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now connecting the Wi-Fi network. Click Next. Click Next. And after that, it will take some time and you will come to the section with a password. After going to the password section, you will have to come back from there and in a select language section. After coming to the language section, you will see the emergency call option given below and click there. You have to dial number 813 hash. After this, your device will be successfully FRP bypassed. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.